floor. Nag-grocery si Kano. Oh, ayan. Siya daw ang maglagay doon. No, don't say that. Don't say that. Are you comfortable over there?
No.
Oh. Because we are here. Me and my sister. Living ng probinsya, oh. Province living. Oh, ganyan. Yung apon kong gurang nagbigay. Mahal na mahal si June. Hindi na maganda katama man magumanay. Yan ang dapat. Yan ang magawa. Ay, ito na pula, oh. Welcome to Batag. Ay, naglakad na lang kami. Hindi kaya ng tricycle namin. Yun yung mga pagkain. Binaba kaming mga senior. Hingal. Oy. Bilis. Oh my God. Lela, let's go. Akyat tayo dito. This is a good workout. Workout tayo, workout. Sama pa namin ang aso. Birakatantuanes. This is a very good living in the province because you breathe a fresh air. You know that American Manila doesn't have. I can live here permanently. I'm not in shape. I am not because I walk that slow. It's not even half third miles. I am breathing hard. That's what happens when you are getting old. Ayan lang pala eh. Lalakad na lang ako. Ando na yung asawa ko. Iniwan ako, pinababa ako eh. Yung si puti o, kinakawayan ako o. Loko to ah. Porket. Okay. Pabagsak. Lakad na ako, kuya. Binalikan ako. Nilalakad na lang ako. They can. My husband is sleep alone over there. Hey, stay there. Wait for me. Ayan na. Nasaan niya ang Batag na yan? Saan ang resort na yan? If you don't like it here, this is the first time we come here. If you don't like it here, we'll go somewhere else. We have all day. Province life. Hindi lumiyaw. Lakad din siya eh. Kuya, saan yung resort ng Batag? Ha? Ha? Tatlo? Yung mayroong jet ski. Tatlo ang resort dyan sa unahan? Isa na ito. Okay, salamat. Well, she said there is 3 resort. Okay, so 1. No, it's okay. Tatlo daw ang resort dito. Ha? Tatlo daw. Mamili daw tayo kung saan. Ito na, oh. Ito na isa.
Nakaw na kayo?
Oo. Daddy, are you okay walking? Oh, look at that. Look. Ano ini? Hilingon tada Midtown Inn. Hay ni mga bata. What do you think? Yes or no? Ha?
Check mo daw.
Okay, I'm coming. Check daw natin. No cottages? Well, let's go. Let's go to Twin Rocks. Yeah, this is not what I'm expecting.
Yeah, they have net there.
I think Twin Rocks is better. Let me see.
That's true. What about it? The bar.
There's a swimming pool. Oh no, no, there's nothing in here. All right, let's go to Twin Rocks. We have all day. Let's go Twin Rocks.
I've done it before. Ending crack.
They got a banana boat.
I'm taking my chance.
Maybe they're taking their chances.
Yeah.
Because in here we can bring up events, taking a chance. Outside food.
Let's go to Twin Rocks.
Where's the baño?
Vinyo, nothing. Let's go to Twin Rocks. There's a vinyo.
No, where's the bathroom?
It's not yours.
You're gonna do bathroom?
Yeah, pee.
Yeah, maybe there.
Samahan mo nga sang. Magwiwi muna siya. Kalinuya. Maya mong nag-13 oras kami sa dalan. Ano man no?
Hindi lang.
14 pa.
Oo, dahil ano, one stop lang tayo eh.
Ang tagal namin. Ang pangit. Totoo kay Jason na churay. Tonight. Alright, family. Oh, yung iba naligaw. Number 9 daw. Nakuha na ni Sam, oh. Family time. Family time muna tayo, okay? 9, awan.
Welcome to Junior Again.
Again. We got this is the second time. We didn't like the first choice. Okay na to. This is good. Uy, basa. Put everything in there na lang pag dumating yung pagkain. Daddy! Paano nyo ilalagay yung mga gamit ibasa? Beautiful, right? Hello, Resort Twin Rocks. It's raining, but hey, it's okay. Slow tide. Where's the volleyball? Parang walang set up ng volleyball. So, Twin Rocks because that's 1 and 2. That's why it says Twin Rocks. Naligaw sila Romil eh. Before we forgot.
Where's the green bag?
They're coming. Kuya Romil is here, right? Because I saw...
Where's everybody?
We're taking 2 cars.
Wala pa sila? Naligaw talaga.
Where's everyone?
Hina. Baba. Mahina.
Sorry.
Where is it going, Jay? Where's your opponent? Where is he? Is it the sand?
Mainit na tiya eh.
Buo mo na yan, jacket mo.
Oh my God! Talaga naman. Ay, sexy naman yan.
Ano ba yan? Larong takbuhan o ano? Habulan ng bola yan?
Workout nila yan.
Too much seaweed.
JJ, lie down.
You came all this way to get in the water.
Hey, you guys, you want to order food?
We have spaghetti.
Okay, so we'll wait for the food. I don't know what time they're coming here though. They got lost. Come on, Daddy, let's go. Oh, wow, look at that. I was not videoing. Bili kami ng pagkain. Nag-order ng Red Horse. Tsaka Coke. You bring that with you. Bit-bit niya yung kanyang Red Horse. Oh. You like Red Horse? Daddy? You tried that before, right?
I had some more.
Camacho.
Nakasit at yung table doon for lunch.
Camacho ano?
Wagbibi muna ako. Where's the kids? Manay, naka-reserve na yung ano do table. Short, short. Nakapush siya, nakapush. Woo! Ano yun? Ah! Oh shit, humiga. Sabi ko, ba't na? Nawala. Inantok siguro. Nakatatlong buti na kasi. Na bullseye si puti oh. Tulog. Meron nang kausap eh. Ay! Nag... Turuan mo si Kano mag-commute ng tricycle ha, wag puro yung VIP na may service, may sasakyan. Kailangan mo siyang mag-casya sa tricycle. Let's go give him an experience to ride. What is Philippine province woman living. So, ayan siya. Turuan natin siya. Okay lang siya. He's smiling. No car today. Tricycle all day. Meron ba kayong asawang ganito? Ha? Walang arte? Oh, hindi ginamit yung sasakyan ng tricycle. Andun yung asawa ko sa likod ng tricycle. Oh, setting up for the concert tomorrow. Anong klaseng plastic?
out there.
Ano yan? Interview na yan.
Turn left.
Ano, mahanap kita kuya. Baba na po. Hindi, pula. Okay. Sang, para kay Jason, kay JJ? Sa ubo. Sa ubo. Sa ubo niya. Okay, let's go upstairs. What are we doing?